In this video, we'll show you how you can create your own commission reports using Excel.
To view available reports, click on Reports and then Get Report. Sales Cookie includes many different types of reports, such as attainment reports, crediting reports, and payout reports. However, sometimes you need something more specific. Let's create a custom Excel report.
Sales Cookie is an open platform. All your data, including schema and entities, are available remotely from Excel. To connect, edit your profile and click on the Security tab. Click to copy the data access URL. Next, open Excel and click on the Data tab. Select OData as a source and paste your URL. As you can see, all available entities are listed. We'll select Calculation Results because this entity contains payout information.
Next, let's transform this data. This gives us an opportunity to pull fields from related entities. In this example, we're expanding the calculation entity. We're selecting specific fields, such as the calculation's name, start date, and end date. We're now ready to load the data set into Excel.
Once the data is in Excel, you can sort, filter, and group your data. For example, you could filter all estimated payouts. Let's add a quick data visualization. Our spreadsheet can be refreshed anytime by clicking on Refresh All under the Data tab.
In this video, we explained how you can create a custom Excel report. All you need are a few clicks.